In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for a Google Drive folder that you can easily share with anyone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your device. Find the folder you want to share. Tap on the three dots next to the folder name. Now, tap on Manage Access. Once that's done, tap on the link icon in the top right corner to copy the shareable link. Next, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome and search for QR code generate. I recommend selecting the QR code monkey, but you can use as you wish. Once on the website, paste the Google Drive link into the box that says enter your website or text. Then tap Generate QR code. Give it a few seconds to process, don't refresh the page, and once it's ready, tap Download. To access it, go to your Downloads folder. Now you can see downloaded QR code. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.